In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email signature in Hostinger. If you're looking to add a professional touch to your emails or simply want to personalize your communication, setting up an email signature is a straightforward but important step. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and visit mail.hostinger.com. Alternatively, you can access it through Hostinger's hPanel. Simply head over to the email section and click on Manage, then navigate to Webmail. This will open up your email interface where all the magic happens. Next, let's get to the signature settings. Once you're in your email interface, look for the gear icon. It's usually located in the corner, resembling a small cogwheel. Click on this gear icon to access the settings. From there, you'll want to go to Preferences and then select Signatures. If you'd like a more visual approach, you can use the Signature Designer by finding it through the App Switcher. This will give you more design options and make the process a bit more intuitive. Now, it's time to add or edit your signature. Whether you're creating a brand new signature or modifying an existing one, this step is crucial for making a polished final product. Click on the option to add a new signature, or if you have an existing one that just needs some tweaking, select the Edit option. Start by giving your signature a name. This is just for your reference to differentiate if you have multiple signatures. With your signature named, it's time to get creative. Use the text editor to type out your signature details. This could include your full name, your job title, contact information, and anything else you might want to share with your email recipients. Don't forget to leverage text formatting options like bold or italics to make certain parts stand out. Adding hyperlinks or social media links is a great way to encourage connections outside of email. Plus, if you have a logo or an image you'd like to include, you can easily upload it here. If you're looking to create a highly sophisticated or branded signature, you might want to switch to raw HTML mode. This option allows you to paste your own HTML code, giving you full control over the design and layout of your email signature. It's an ideal choice if you have a specific style or template in mind. Once you're satisfied with your signature, make sure to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up an email signature in Hostinger. Now every email you send will carry your personal touch or your brand's identity, adding a professional flair to your